Hello guys, welcome back to Food Crunch with Phyllis. And ne ye be di Kontomire Abuom. Ye ko local. Ye di be trim. Line and ahoden ewom. So stay tuned and see how I make my Kontomire Abuom. Ahoden papa bi pa. So I have my Kontomire leaves. We are going to boil it, okay, for some time. Usually, what you are supposed to do is to boil your pepper and your turkey berries or nsusua before you add your kontomire. But mine is already boiled and frozen, so I'm going to put all of it inside at this point. Make sure you add a lot of turkey berries because it's so healthy and delicious, okay? So let's boil this for some time and we'll get back. So I have here some palm oil and then onions. Please, this onion has to be cut very tiny because oil fries up quickly. And then I have some stinking fish here as well. Cook it for some few minutes and then we are going to put this on the kontomire. Okay, this is very delicious. Inti me mama monini na ntete why ye be e de atwim ohun ye be poto ne de adedede why sabre we de betwi jeni eno ohun sa aduane we so ma jeni etim se ne be ya ebeye de ohun inti twitwa jeni ne nketwa kakra na watimi etwim. If you can't or you don't have this asanka, please you can use your blender, okay? What makes you blend down Abuom a couple of times, then you are good to go. Don't add water when you are blending. The turkey berries is done boiling and then the pepper as well, so remove it from the water and grind it, okay, nicely. Next, add the green leaves and the rest of the turkey berries and continue to potato it, okay. At this point, you know, you be momonine efi any jeni na wache so wongunim, okay, and you are going to treat it, all right, and that flavor will be unleashed, okay. At this point, you know, and when I cheer, you be sure so. We are no show Jenny Papa B. Jenny need to try and kitty. Na and also for gusso. Now, when we are the biddy day, media may be a wap mampesibi. Menya kusiani yeko bi ba ku bi atoso na se winya wo mackerel bia na nsusua dey wo tweg so we'll see what happens with this. So I added salt to this when I was grinding the kontomire, so make sure to taste it and add salt to your taste, okay guys? Na yebi ofi wate papa anopa bi wunya pa na wutwi na unya ampesie bi boso a hi wonderful. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my channel all the time, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, share and leave your comments below, okay, if you ever try this recipe. So see you in my other video. Bye.